The Zonal Anthropological Museum in Port Blair, located in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands of India, is dedicated to the study and preservation of the diverse cultures and tribes of the region. Established to showcase the anthropological heritage of the islands, the museum features exhibits that highlight the lifestyle, traditions, and customs of various indigenous tribes, such as the Great Andamanese, Onge, Jarawa, and Sentinelese. Visitors to the museum can explore a range of artifacts, displays, and information related to the tribal communities, their ways of life, tools, crafts, and rituals. The museum serves as an important educational resource, promoting awareness and understanding of the rich cultural diversity of the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, and it plays a crucial role in documenting and preserving the unique heritage of its indigenous peoples. The Naval Marine Museum Samudrika, located in Port Blair, the capital of the Andaman and Nicobar Islands in India, is a maritime museum that showcases the rich marine heritage and biodiversity of the region. Established by the Indian Navy, the museum aims to educate visitors about the marine environment, emphasizing the ecological significance of the islands and the surrounding waters. The museum features a variety of exhibits, including model ships, displays of marine life, and information on the history of the Indian Navy in the area. Highlights include showcases of coral reefs, aquatic species found in the Andaman Sea, and artifacts related to naval operations. The setting of the museum adds to its appeal, with picturesque views of the coast. Visitors to the Samudrika Marine Museum can enjoy a blend of education and entertainment, making it a popular stop for tourists interested in marine biology, history, and conservation efforts. The Fisheries Museum in Port Blair, located in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands of India, is a unique establishment dedicated to showcasing the rich marine life and fishing heritage of the region. It highlights the diverse aquatic life found in the surrounding waters, including various species of fish, crustaceans, and other marine organisms. The museum features a range of exhibits, including preserved specimens and informative displays that educate visitors about local fishing methods, the importance of sustainable fishing practices, and the ecological significance of the marine ecosystem. It also showcases the tools and equipment used by traditional fishermen in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. This museum serves as an important attraction for both tourists and locals, promoting awareness about marine conservation while celebrating the cultural traditions associated with fishing in the islands. Visitors to the museum can gain insights into the vital role that fisheries play in the local economy and way of life.